everybody, welcome to Andy's Items and Memorabilia. Today we're going to be opening up a wax box, hobby box of the Topps 2017 Allen and Ginter. This box retails between $95 and $105. The thing about this box is the original common cards really have no value to collectors. It's really the autograph cards, relic cards, printing plates, rip cards, and book cards that do have value. So you're guaranteed 3 hits in this box. So hopefully we can pull something out of here that's good. All right. So here we go. Let me take this off so I can at least get the wax paper off. Makes it a little easier. The value in these rip cards can be tremendous. They do have great things in here. We're looking at, I think there's 26. Ooh, here we go. We got one oversized box loader card inside. So let's pull this open and see what we have here. Looks like a Manny Machado. Baltimore Orioles Manny Machado oversized card. So if you're a Manny Machado fan, that's a pretty good card to have. Any Orioles fans out there, which I am actually. All right. So here we go. First pack. Let's see if we can start getting some of those hits. All right. Let's see here. Pence. Walt Rosenthal. Duffy. Santana. Harper. That might be a nice little card to have. Ooh, a baby card of, is that Hanninger? Mancini for the Orioles. And Glazer, which is an NFL player, Fox analyst, I think. All right. Let's see here. We'll just go in order from the top to bottom, I guess. You know, the best thing about these cards is that they are kind of interesting looking, kind of old school, Darvish. Thing is, though, you're really looking, when you buy these boxes, X-Ray Machine. Oh, Nolan Ryan, that's pretty cool. Are those relic cards? You know, me personally, I'm hoping to get a rip card or a booklet. This feels, sometimes you can get a feel for what's in a pack. Let's see what we got here. We got a Zach Britton, Raymond, Springer. Who's that? Another Machado, another small card. Oh, Clemente, that's pretty cool. Easton and Cruz. The best thing about these packs are the value. If you get 2 or 3 of those relic cards, can have some pretty significant value, or memorabilia cards. So if you're able to pull some good ones out, oh, here we go. Looks like we have a Allen Ginter mini autograph black frame parallel of Luke Weaver from Topps. So we have a redemption card here, okay? So, of Luke Weaver. So we got to fill that out and send that in. That's pretty cool. Got to look that guy up. I'm not quite sure the value on something like that. There we go. We got some kind of Topps thing here. Let's see what we got. Bell. Robinson. Another mini card. Who is that? Pilot Dude. It literally says Pilot Dude. Oh, Smith. He's pretty good. Analyst. And then we got a Rediscover. I don't know who that guy is. Orlando Martinez. All right. So let's hopefully, we've already got one autograph hit. Let's hopefully we can get a little more. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Story. Mendez. Somewhere. Maybe one of the brothers. The Battle of something. Tapia. Oh, Nolan Ryan. I'm a huge fan of Nolan Ryan. I would love to get something autographed by Nolan Ryan. So we're still looking for about 2 more hits in this box. Let's see what we got here. Pull hose. Oh, here we go. It's a Aaron Judd game used jersey. It looks like everyone likes Aaron Judd nowadays. Judge, Gordon, Hamels. All right, so that looks like that might be 2 of my hits. So I got a lot of packs to go. So I'm really hoping to get one more really good autograph. Maybe a relic would be nice. Let's see, October. Those mini cards. Here's this pack. And we got this guy. Derek Jeter's always nice. Just dropped a small card. Stram, Morales. The Rediscover. And the mini card. Alright. Let's see here what we got in here. Oops. Trying to be gentle as we open up these packs as well. So we got here Thomas, Peters. He left the Orioles. Some people are upset. McGuire. Not sure if that guy's even relevant nowadays with his steroids. Alright, let's see. We got see, like I said, most of these cards are kind of Glazer, Smith, Turner. Most of these cards really have no value whatsoever. It's really those redemption cards and relic cards that we're trying to look for here. So we got at least one more in here somewhere. Chapman, Sobrist, Abreu. We got just double check. World's Fair. Raven. And over, let's see, another pack. Austin, McGuire, Esquez, Hernandez, Harvey, and Rand Bush. I think those are original old cards that they just stamped on them. And most of them are generic. Gordon, Ramos, Jones. Look, Wright used to be a really good player. He still is a good player. Let's see here. Still searching for at least one more memorabilia card. Randy Johnson. Let's see, we got Springer, Hoffman, Robinson. Oh, and there's a Robinson card. It's pretty cool. Carew. All right. Price is a good pitcher. Alright. One more relic card. Come on, buddy. Where are you? Let's see here. Seager. Maryland. Who's that? Martinez. Jason. And Juan Guerrera. Right. Be nice to see one of those old-timey ones that are autographed for the final auto card or memorabilia relic card. We're running low on packs here, so hopefully something will pop up soon. There are 3 things guaranteed. Oops, can't get it quite. Let me take this glove off. That'll help. Use my fingernail to get underneath it. Let's see what we got here. Machado, Frazier, Reyes. Oh, here we go. It's a Harvey game used jersey. So unless, take both gloves off. So unless there's really another card in here. It might be all we got out of this box. So obviously, here we go. Queries. So unless there's another one in here, I would say that we probably did not get our value, unless that redemption card is worth something. But you never know. Let's just William Shatner. You never have enough William Shatners in your baseball card collection. 3 more packs. There we go. Miller, here's Art, Brian. Okay. 2 more. Let's see what we got here. Clemente. Hank Aaron's always nice. And last but not least, the odds are there's nothing in here since I already got 3 cards. And I was correct. So we got 2 game used jersey cards and 1 redemption card. So hopefully that redemption card has value in it. And if it does, then maybe it's worth buying this. But there are definitely some really good stuff you can get out of this box. But I wouldn't buy this box merely for the common cards. It's the 3 relics that really you're going to want. So with that said, please like this video. And in the comment box, if you want to put down a type of box you would like to see opened, we will find that box and do a video on that and the value. And as far as this one, I think there is value in this box. However, I did not find it today. So, you know, if you can get this for under 90 bucks, then I think it's worth a shot to try to get one of those 3 memorabilia cards inside. All right. With that, thank you and enjoy your memorabilia.